Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. It is a question which we prove that both sides are equal when we solve it, and the answer will be equal to 4. Now we start. There are two squares, and we open the squares according to the rule a square plus b square plus 2ab, and the second rule a square plus b square minus 2ab. So there are two squares, 1 and 2. First we open the square z square plus 1 over z square is equal to 1 over z square plus 2 according to the rule, and z and 1 over z, that will be finished. Minus another square, it will be also opened according to this rule, z square plus 1 over z square minus 2 according to the rule, and the z and 1 over z will be divided equal to 4. Now we open this bracket, z square plus 1 over z square plus 2 minus, if there is minus outside the bracket, the symbols in the brackets will be changed. Z square plus this will be minus 1 over z square minus will change into plus 2 is equal to 4. Z square plus ये माइनस 1 over z square minus 1 over z square, these will be finished, and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 and 4 plus equal to 4 equal to 4. Left hand side and right hand sides are equal. It has been proved.